safety finger and safety knife. You can talk with friend, everybody.
That's really nice.
We are very proud that we got the certificate, and we thank our chef Nat for his passion.
Yes.
And yes, we are very proud.
And I'm happy that my wife convinced me to make the first cooking class I ever had.
That's very impressive.
I never cooked in my life. It's the first time.
You
And
did a great job.
It's the first time. It is really, really wonderful.
And you
Many,
got
many
more
thanks.
points
Yeah.
than I.